Alright, so before this video starts, I just want to say thank you for 150 subs. I know it's not a lot by any means. It's so cool to see the subscriber count go up. What? It's super motivational too. So I forgot this footage was on my camera, like on my SD card. I edit this and then hopefully it turns out good. It might be short, so I don't know, we'll see. Alright, what's going on everybody? So today, finally the freaking intercooler came in. So we're about to install it. I'm pumped, I'm stoked. It's the last little bolt-on for full bolt-ons. So first things first, you always have to take out this damn under tray and it sucks.
Especially without a fucking drill.
Yeah, the under tray's out.
I gotta get these little side things out though.
Keep it over there so we know it's side. Stock intercooler.
You know what you should get the little air scoop. Yeah, these things fucking suck. And that's about it. There's like a weird ass clip at the very top. I don't know if you can see. Do you have a flashlight? To like reach up behind there to get it undone.
Okay, well Jack just took it out in like 1 second. I don't really understand. We don't have to put that back in, do we?
Huh?
We don't have to put that back in, do we?
No, I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Yours doesn't have it. Yeah, we're in freaking lockdown. And it's kind of weird. Like, no one's out. Is there people out?
Yeah, there's people out.
Oh, that's horrible.
There's just like, they're walking and shit.
Oh. There's also this little C-clamp that you have to take out.
Upside down.
And then you're gonna repeat the process on the other side. Sorry, this is not very visual in terms of
Two-side down.
showing them like what to do.
So to get the intercooler out, you're just gonna, it's a T20. And then there's one on this side, right there. It's super long, and you're just gonna take that out, and that should cause this whole thing to drop. Once you loosen this guy right here.
Big intercooler going in, small ones out. This is the short tube.
So this is how it goes.
Yeah. So you need to make sure the short tube is on the left side, like that, and then the long tube on the right side. Okay, after a bunch of manhandling, we finally got the intercooler in. The last little charge pipe portion wouldn't go in, so we had to get Jonah to help, and he got it in, so. We'll do probably a POV drive on the F32 probably in the next coming days. I saw y'all at the tune break-in, had a little misfire, a little hiccup, because I had just flashed the car. Yeah, I'll bring you guys a POV in a couple days. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see, but. Alright, so I'm taking the car on a little drive right now. I'm just gonna give you my thoughts and impressions on this intercooler. So far, hell, there's a power difference. Stage 2 Plus made all the difference of this intercooler. So now that I'm full bolt-on, like, compared to Stage 2, it's ridiculous how much faster it is. And it sketched me out at first. I was like, holy crap, like, there's no way. It's making me want to experiment with E85.